What's up, Petty Boxer Kennel? We are back with an update. As you see, the babies are now 4, almost 5 weeks old. And deposits are now ready to be taken for these beautiful, beautiful babies. Yeah, first day with their collar, so as you see, they're not feeling that. But the collar, we got them so we can identify who is who and what's what. Yeah, like right here, beautiful girl. Look at her. Yeah. And then look at this big boy right here. Huh? Hey, fella. So we got yellow, who's a boy. And we got red here, who's a girl. Pink. Look at her mama. Oh, we got an escape artist. Somebody's leaving. Hold on, somebody's trying to leave. Where you going? Come back here, Orange. Well, since you already got up here, here's Orange. He's a boy. Look how big these dudes is. Look how big these puppies are. Green has another boy. Yeah. Here's little red again. It's a girl. Who's this one back here by me? Oh, blue, another boy. Look at blue size. Yeah. And then we got purple. Look at her. Look at her size. So we got a girl here, purple. And we got pink right there, it's another girl. And yellow back there, that's a boy. And we got mama here, that's a red, that's a girl. And then the pile here, that's a boy, this is Orange. Yeah, watch out, girl, let them see the side. There you go, yeah. Hold on, let's get that on, let's get that on. There's Green, he's a big boy. Yeah, and come here, let the other one out, Come here, Blue. Big Blue. Yeah. All right, what's up, Purple? All right. Oh, I get licks and kisses? Thank you. All right. So, y'all hit us up. If y'all want one of these beautiful babies, they're all available. Getting older, healthy, moving around, doing what puppies do. See, living good instead of trying to escape. Oh, let's get you back behind. Can we get you back behind? There we go. Really? You just gonna tear at that? So just a quick video, and then we'll do another video to show y'all each individual puppy and their little personalities, because now they're starting to come into their own. Now you can really see what you're getting. But yeah, they're so loving. And if you pick one up, all they want to do is cuddle with you. Like, they're just cuddle bears right now. Yeah. What you doing, Blue? Pretty. Yeah, so y'all make sure y'all hit us up at Petty Boxer Kennels, Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. And we will gladly get y'all what we need. So yeah, just hit us up. We are taking deposits. They are available. About 5 weeks for sure now. You know what I'm saying? So hit us up, Petty Boxer Kennels on Instagram, message us there. Petty Boxer Kennels on Facebook. You can message us on there. And then right, babies. Yeah. Look at the quality. Yeah, see, y'all hit us up. Ain't that right? Tell them hit us up. That's right. Tell them. Yeah, hit us up. Right. Tell them. They want that quality. Yep. That's right. Oh. Yep, he's so loving. So loving. Yeah, I know. I give you some love too. Alright, I didn't forget you. Or you. Or you. Oh, wait a minute. Somebody's getting stuff going. I see you down there. Get this side over here having their own little thing. But yeah, y'all hit us up and we got you. Alright, y'all? Petty Boxers, we out.